Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Dr. Saifullah, and I welcome you in this new video. Today, I am going to start a new series of lectures about financial modeling using Microsoft Excel. This will be a free course on the YouTube. Anyone can watch these videos. After basic introduction of Microsoft Excel, we will start financial modeling by using Microsoft Excel, and the first topic will be the time value of money. In time value of money, we normally calculate future value and present value of compound interest or simple interest, and the concept of annuities, present value of annuities, future value of annuities, and related calculations are being performed. All these concepts will be discussed theoretically, and after that their calculations will be performed on Microsoft Excel. The next topic will be cash flow analysis. In this topic, we will try to forecast the cash flows of the companies and prepare related budgets and decisions based on these cash flows. The next topic will be capital budgeting. In capital budgeting, we normally decide about the long-term investments, and there are multiple techniques that can be applied to evaluate the projects. Firstly, we will discuss manually these techniques, and after that Microsoft Excel will be used to calculate or evaluate different proposals. The next topic will be valuation of securities. In this topic, we will try to value the securities including shares, bonds, and preferred stocks. We will find their present value, their prices, their sales, and other related calculations. After valuation of securities, we will move to portfolio management. In portfolio management, we will try to make portfolios based on different securities. A portfolio is basically a combination of securities. A combination can be between stocks, bonds, property, commodities, or any other investments. We will try to prepare portfolios by following Markowitz's portfolio theory. After that, we will move to asset pricing models. We will mainly discuss two models, that is capital asset pricing model and arbitrage pricing model. Firstly, we will discuss their theoretical concepts. After that, we will apply different calculations to find the value of stocks by using capital asset pricing model or arbitrage pricing model. In the last step, we will move to portfolio evaluation, where we will apply different portfolio evaluation techniques and find that which portfolio is best for us or that is most suitable according to our objectives. This course will be helpful to different persons, including financial analysts, finance students, finance practitioners, data analysts, bankers, and most importantly, freelancers. Freelancing is a growing industry, and experts having knowledge of finance and financial modeling are the most demanded professions on the freelancing platforms. After this course, you can apply this concept, and similarly, financial analysts and data analysts are highly demanded professionals in the industry. After learning these lectures, you can be financial analyst, or you can be freelancer, you can be your data analyst, and similar as a banker, as a finance student or finance practitioner. Microsoft Excel will help you to make financial decisions. The most important thing is that it can be used in managing personal finance as well. If you are planning to buy a car in next 5 years or 10 years, you want to buy a house, you want to make an investments, Microsoft Excel can help you in evaluating best options and will also guide you that how you can increase your savings or investment and make the best from your savings. The outcomes will be, after this course, the participants will be able to learn principal Excel formulas used in financial modeling, use Excel functionality efficiently, know which functions to be used and which to avoid, design and build professional, clear, and robust financial models in Excel, optimize their Excel skills when creating financial models, apply efficient financial forecasting techniques, create a comprehensive 3-statement financial models, optimize the use of Excel for modeling, understand and apply best practice modeling technique, minimize the risk of error in your workings, and manage model size. The each video will be uploaded on the YouTube, and the link of the Excel sheet will be shared with you, will be placed in the description of each video. If you want some other topics that should be included in this course, you can contact us. I will evaluate these contents and will incorporate your required courses at the end of these lectures. You can contact us through WhatsApp, through email, or through the comment section of this video. I will wait for your positive feedbacks as well as your comments to improve this course. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.